Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to add total row to a table in Excel. So firstly we need to add a table to this data. So select this first row, then click on insert. Now click on table. So it will select all your data in table. Check this box. My table has headers. Then click on OK. So now we can see this data are converted in table. Now just you need to click on total row. In design tab you will see option total row, so click on it. So now as we can see, this last row has total for teachers, and similarly you can get the total for every column. Just you need to click there. So you will see a drop down. You can change formula like count, sum, and more functions. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps we can know how to add total row in Excel. Just you need to click on this design tab. If you not find design tab, so double click on your table. So you will see design tab. Click on it and click on total row. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.